Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with the My Bright Life collection. This is a Jen Hadfield homemade collection, and I just love the colors. I have some big plans for this kit. Now, if you have received a mystery bundle for me, so Polka Dot Mailbox right now is having a clearance of all of the stuff that I had brought in for the month of for all of fall, really, but for the month of September, I'm actually clearing out all the remaining stock at like an amazing price. So one of the kits that some of the people received in this mystery bundle would be these items from Jen Hadfield. And every collection that I sent out came with an album. I'm making a card with this collection because I've been starting a new position at my job, and it requires a lot more of my time, and so I had to decide whether or not to give up my e-commerce site. So unfortunately, I have stepped away from that, but I'm still going to be producing videos for you guys, and I'm still going to be creating and sharing my creations. So I hope to be able to keep up my social media, YouTube channels, Instagram account. You can find me at Polka Dot Mailbox on Instagram as well, and that's where you'll see when I post new videos. I created this card for the girl who is training me. So she isn't the girl I'm replacing, but she is leaving. This was her last week in the position, and sadly, or nice, I guess, we got along so well. We found that we had so many things in common. It's amazing to us that we have never crossed paths before. In fact, we probably have crossed paths and not even realized it. She was a joy to work with. I made this card for her, and I brought it into the office to get everybody to sign. I also gifted her a little scrapbook kit because she herself is a scrapbooker. So that was really nice to connect with someone. Honestly, going to miss her so much, and I really just met her. So I created this card for her, and I've incorporated all sorts of different techniques where I've stitched around the edge. I've created the tulle sequence shaker pocket. I've also made some rosettes and other little embellishments like flowers and a little twine bow, enamel dots, all the typical things that I add to cards. I really love the way that this all came together, and I really love working with this kit. My plans for this kit are to scrapbook some fun adventures out to a strawberry field for strawberry picking and a really nice day out at the farm. So I'm really excited to put an album together with this collection because some of the strawberry and lemon papers are just going to go perfectly. So I thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in getting a mystery bundle, you can request a specific theme, such as this one that you have seen here, this line of papers. Shipping is free in Canada and the US, polkadotmailbox.com until the end of September. That's your last chance to buy, and then the website will be shutting down. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.